guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Oh, ayan na. Ayan na. Si Wan Wan. I must go. I must go. Ayan na naman siya. Okay, I'll take you there. Ito naman din si Baidi. Hindi din nag-gets. Oh, anyway, this is chapter 187. 1-1. Be careful. Plop. Diba? Nagiging malikot siya. Bakit parang bumabaw yung river nila? 1-1. Be careful not to go to the deep area. Sumabay ka na lang kasi maligo. Go with her. Right. In the deep moon. Splash. O, diba? Parang reminiscence lang. Kasi, diba, before, it was the first time they met at the river. Now, they're at the river right now together with just only the both of them. Splash, splash. Baidi, it's so comfortable in the water. Comfortable naman talaga sa water. Pit pat. Oh, she's removing her dress. Won't you come down? Ito naman din. Pakipot din to si Baidi eh. Afa talaga. Ayan na. Oh my gosh. Swoosh. O diba, nag-transform agad. Mabilis din. O diba, ganda ng katawan. Solid biceps. Splash. Ready to fight. Humanda ka ngayon, 1-1. Baidi, do you remember we met in the water for the first time? O diba, the reminiscence talaga dalawa. We're thinking the same thing. Cute lang na pareho. So sexy. Yes. Of course, ma-remember niya talaga eh. You are the only girl for his eyes. You were batting at the time. You tried to hide somewhere as soon as you saw me. In the moonlight, 1-1 looks pretty. She's always pretty. Not only on your eyes, but everyone's eyes. I didn't expect I met you in that way for the first time. Cover pa. Kunti lang naman pa rin ang na-cover niya. But when batting with you, I don't feel shy. Siyempre, nag-mate na kayo. Whiz. O, diba? Ayan na naman. Ay, nako, pagbibigyan ni 1-1 si Baidi. Kawawa ka naman siyang yun. Next time ka na lang. Huff, ganda ng mata, no? In love na in love. Paano ba mahingalin? Huff, huff. Ganun pala. Ba, inosente masyado tingin. Splash. Splash. Or splash na lang. Diba? Censored. Censored yan. Huwag na kayong naka-censored yan siya. Katulad ng mga previous shows, no? Hindi siya censored. Pero ngayon censored naman. Para ma-post natin dito sa YouTube. Diba? Napaka-sensual. Hiningal na agad sila. Sa tubig talaga ginawa. Sa bagay, sa tubig naman sila unang nagkita. Malay mo makabuo sila sa tubig din, diba? Hindi sila gumamit ng contraceptive. So, mabubuntis na siya dito ngayon. It's late and a bit cold. Let's go back. Yes. Yes na. Napagbigyan na siya eh. Yes talaga. Mushang and others had their babies when winter gave place to spring. So, what's your point, dear? The female foxes also came for reproduction. Will I have my own baby soon? Expecting si ate. Cute niya dito. Hindi pa. Damit ni Baidi yung gamit niya. Sa laki ni Baidi, yung damit niya nakukunti lang. Damit pa rin. What's that sound? Shuang Yin is howling. Si Shuang Yin pala. Ba't siya umiiyak? Why is he crying? Oh. Why are you crying, bebe? Bebe boy. Excuse me. Sangye, what's wrong? Si Sangye pa tinanong. He looked for you after he came back. Failing to find you, he keeps saying that he already lost you. Then he keeps crying on the roof till now. Anyari? Ba't siya umiiyak? Iba talaga pag malasing to si Bebe Boy. What if anyone sees him crying? Silly guy. Shuang Yin, come down. Wan. Umiiyak si Bebe Boy. Wan, you didn't leave me. Talaga nawawala talaga to siya sa sarili niya. I have already lost Dr. Lang Zhu. I can't lose you. Umiiyak na naman siya. Parang bata talaga si Shuang Yun, no? Pag if he's drunk, he's just like a silly boy. Please don't leave me, please. Of course, she won't. Unless she will be back to her own world. You should be by his side now, as the chief of Rock Wolf tribe. Napaka-considerate talaga ni Baidi. You're so considerate, Baidi. He's only weak when he's with you. Char. Diba? Wawa naman yarn. Iyak-iyak yarn. Char. Yeah. Tulog. Do you feel better? Pinunasan niya. Nahimasmasan si Kuya. No, I only feel better when you stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. I know you love Baidi and care for Sangye. You became my mate not because you love me. Aba, nagsisenti si Shuang yun. Sisenti yarn. But I don't love you any less than they do. Char. Narinig mo yon? 1-1, I'm willing to do everything for you. Can you love me a little bit more? Aba. Demanding. Demanding yon. Tama na yun kung anong love level lang. Who told you I don't love you? Parang ikaw ata may sabi. Taste. Lasing pa rin siya. Hindi pa siya naimasmasan. Nagdadrama pa eh. Another kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Ano yun? Pagkatapos kay Baidi, kay Shuang yun na naman. Di ka pa pagod, te. Di pa siya pagod. 1-1, you kissed me. I'm so happy. Ang kiss, hinila mo siya, boy. Malamang. Turnover. Ayan na naman. 1-1, I really like your smell. Di na amoy si Baidi. Sniff. He's really like a big dog. Stop sniffing. Really? Your smell makes me feel secure. Ayan, nako. Sniff lang, 'di ba? Amoy-amoy lang. Ba't may paganyan? Ikaw.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the